Hi, this is Travis from Tenno Farms, and I just wanted to show you today something that I did for my gas cans. So these gas can nozzles, or whatever you want to call them, that come on the newer gas cans are just junk. They just break all the time. You can see this one broke off of here. This is broken. So they just spill everywhere and split. And it's not only expensive to replace them, but they just don't work well. And you don't want to have to buy a whole new gas can for 25 or 30 bucks, or even spend like 10 bucks for one of these things that just breaks again. So check out what I got here on Amazon. These are gas cap lids. They're just lids with an O-ring in it. And it's got the coarse threads. I'll show you here on this one. Coarse threads that match up with the same thing that's in these nozzles for most gas cans. So far, they've worked with everyone I've tried them with. And they make a pretty good seal. They don't leak. And I got a 4-pack for like 12 bucks or something like that. So just wanted to show you. This is the packaging that they came in. I don't know. They're probably cheap Chinese, but they're better than what's the original stuff. So just get those, put them on your gas can. Then you only really need one nozzle or even just a funnel that you can pour it through. You don't have to worry about them breaking all the time on you and leaking everywhere. So that was just my hack I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching.